Hi guys, in this video I will be doing the unboxing of Xbox wireless controller. It's a Series X controller and electric volt variant. I bought this from Amazon at around 5.7k. I will be sharing the link in the description box for your reference. The controller has battery usage of up to 40 hours, which is pretty good. We can connect this controller using the USB-C port for direct plug and play to the console and PC. The support for AA batteries is included on the back side of the controller. It includes Xbox Wireless and Bluetooth technology for wireless gaming on supported consoles, Windows 10 PCs, Android and iOS phones and tablets. It has a dedicated share button to seamlessly capture and share content such as screenshots, recordings, and much more. We can also plug in any compatible headset with 3.5 mm audio headset jack. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.